Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix lag and how you can get higher FPS in Assassin's Creed Shadows, okay? Now, the very first thing that you have to do is you need to update your drivers, okay? Especially if you're using an NVIDIA card, okay? So let's actually go to our NVIDIA app here. And now you basically want to make sure that you have the latest drivers installed, which in my case are the ones released in March 18, okay? And these are specifically optimized for Assassin's Creed Shadows. Now, inside of the game, we want to go to options by pressing escape. Let's click on options here. Now you want to go to video, display, and you want to, if you're really having trouble, with stuttering, just enable your frame rate limiter and set it to 30 or 60. Now, I'm going to recommend you for sure that you enable dynamic resolution and you set it to actually NVIDIA Deep Learning Super Sampling, okay, if you're using an NVIDIA card. If you don't, keep it to AMD FSR, okay, but I'm going to recommend this NVIDIA, which is way better now, okay. Now, in upscaler quality, you should keep it to actually performance here. And as a very last step or as a very last result that you can do, but I don't actually recommend it, okay, because it can create some troubles, you can enable frame generation. Now, this is only going to work. I mean, this is actually going to work for all graphic cards now, but you must set it to FSR, okay? Because the NVIDIA frame generation option is only going to be available in newer cards, okay? So you can keep it to FSR if you're using an older card, or you can turn in on, the NVIDIA frame generation setting. But keep in mind, this might or might not work, okay? That's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.